Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in GoHighLevel, which has become one of the top alternatives to ClickFunnels for building high-converting pages. This platform offers powerful customization tools and makes the entire process surprisingly straightforward. So let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to GoHighLevel.com. Sign in with your account credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main interface where all your marketing tools are housed. Now look to the left navigation panel and click on Sites. This is where all your funnels and landing pages are managed. At the top of the screen, you'll notice a button labeled Plus New Funnels. Go ahead and click that to begin creating your new landing page. You'll immediately be presented with three options for how you want to build your page: from blank funnel AI or from templates. For this tutorial, we're going to select from templates since it gives you a professional starting point that you can customize. Click the Continue button to move forward. GoHighLevel will now display a gallery of pre-designed landing page templates. Browse through these options and find one that aligns with your brand or the theme you're working with. Once you've found the perfect template, hover your mouse over it and click Choose Template. Give GoHighLevel a moment to configure and load your selected template into the editor. Now it's time to customize your landing page. Look at the top left corner of your screen and click on the plus button. This opens the Add Element menu where you'll find various customization options like text blocks, images, videos, and more. Select the elements that best suit your brand and start building out your page content. One of the most important steps is adding a form for lead capture. Drag a form block into the section of your page where you want visitors to convert. Click on the form block to configure the fields you need, such as name, email, and phone. Once you've set up your fields exactly how you want them, save those changes. Next, ensure your page looks great on all devices. Use the device icons at the top of the editor to switch between desktop and mobile views. Adjust spacing, font sizes, and block visibility for each view to guarantee a seamless experience across all screen sizes. Before going live, click the eye icon at the top right corner of your screen to preview your landing page. This lets you see exactly how it will appear to visitors and catch any last-minute adjustments you need to make. Now open the Settings panel to configure your page's SEO elements. Set your SEO title, meta description, and add any custom scripts if your campaign requires them. Make sure the page is enabled and ready to publish. Finally, when everything looks perfect, click Publish to make your landing page live and start capturing leads. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.